How to change language on Facebook. Hello guys, welcome back to Android Tips YouTube channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how you can change your language on Facebook. So before starting the videos, I would like to request you please hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you will get the more informative videos every day. So guys, what you need to do here, you have to just simply on your Facebook. Here you can see here, this is my official Facebook. So to change the language, you just need to click on these 3 days on the top right of your screen. So after clicking here, you can see that this type of interface will be pop up on your screen. Now what you need to do, you have to scroll down and then here you will find an option settings and privacy. So just click on the settings and privacy, and then guys, you can see here there will be an option for language on the screen. So what you need to do, simply press here. It's pretty simple, and then here you can see you can select any of the language from here. So this is pretty simple. Let me just go for English, and then here you can see this is English. So in this way you can change your language on Facebook. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thanks for watching.